The National Electrical Code, or NEC, requires that all lighting fixtures located above a shower or tub be listed for wet locations. Fixtures listed for damp locations are not suitable for direct exposure to water or high humidity. Damp-rated fixtures may not be able to withstand the high levels of moisture and humidity present in a shower environment. This could lead to electrical shorts, sparking, or even a fire hazard. The use of 75-watt PAR 38 bulbs in enclosed fixtures can generate significant heat. In a poorly ventilated shower environment, this heat could pose a burn hazard. A lack of shower trims for these fixtures means that there may be gaps between the fixtures and the ceiling, allowing moisture to enter. An installation height of 7 feet may be too low for recessed fixtures, especially in a vaulted ceiling, which could result in poor lighting distribution and glare. It is recommended to replace the current fixtures with fixtures listed for wet locations and equipped with shower trims. Consider using lower wattage bulbs or light-emitting diode or LED bulbs to reduce heat generation. Consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that the fixtures are installed correctly and meet all safety requirements. When installing electrical components in a bathroom, especially over a shower or tub, adherence to the National Electrical Code, or NEC, is paramount. The primary concern is ensuring electrical safety in an environment prone to moisture and humidity. The NEC mandates the use of lighting fixtures specifically listed for wet locations in these areas. This requirement is not merely a suggestion, it's a critical safety measure to prevent electrical hazards. Damp-rated fixtures, while suitable for areas with occasional moisture, are not designed to withstand the direct exposure to water and the consistently high humidity levels found in a shower or tub enclosure. The consequences of using an improperly rated fixture can be severe. The increased moisture can penetrate the fixture, leading to corrosion of electrical components, short circuits, and even the risk of electrical shock to individuals using the shower. Furthermore, the buildup of moisture can create a pathway for electricity to arc, potentially causing a fire. Understanding the difference between wet and damp location ratings is crucial. Wet location fixtures are constructed with seals and materials that prevent water from entering the electrical components. They are tested and certified to operate safely even when directly exposed to water. Damp location fixtures, on the other hand, are designed to withstand humidity but not direct water contact. The listing of a fixture for a specific location is typically indicated on the product packaging or within the product specifications. It's essential to verify this information before installation. Beyond the type of fixture, the selection of appropriate trims is also vital. Shower trims are designed to create a watertight seal between the fixture and the ceiling. This prevents moisture from seeping into the ceiling cavity, which can lead to mold growth and further electrical hazards. The trim should be specifically designed for use with the chosen fixture to ensure a proper seal. The type of bulb used in the fixture also plays a significant role in safety. High wattage bulbs, such as 75-watt PAR 38 bulbs, can generate a considerable amount of heat, especially when enclosed within a fixture. In a confined shower environment, this heat can become a burn hazard, particularly if someone accidentally touches the fixture. Consider using low wattage bulbs or light-emitting diode, or LED, bulbs, which produce significantly less heat while providing ample illumination. LED bulbs also offer the advantage of being more energy efficient and having a longer lifespan. The installation height of the fixture should also be carefully considered. A height of 7 feet might be too low, especially at a vaulted ceiling. This could result in uneven light distribution, glare, and potential discomfort for the user. The NEC provides guidelines for minimum fixture heights in bathrooms to ensure both safety and optimal lighting. Vaulted ceilings present unique challenges for lighting. The angle of the ceiling can affect the way light is reflected and distributed. It's important to choose fixtures that are specifically designed for sloped ceilings to ensure proper illumination. Consulting with a qualified electrician is always recommended when installing electrical fixtures in a bathroom. An electrician can assess the specific conditions of the bathroom, including the presence of moisture, the ceiling height, and the overall layout to determine the most appropriate fixtures and installation methods. They can also ensure that all work is done in compliance with the National Electrical Code, or NEC, and local electrical codes. Improper electrical work can not only create safety hazards but can also lead to code violations and potential fines. Moreover, a qualified electrician can properly ground the fixtures, which is essential for preventing electrical shock. Grounding provides a safe path for electricity to flow in the event of a fault, minimizing the risk of injury. In summary, prioritizing safety and code compliance is essential when installing lighting fixtures above a shower or tub. Using wet-rated fixtures with shower trims, selecting appropriate bulbs, considering installation height, and consulting with a qualified electrician are all crucial steps to ensure a safe and well-lit bathroom environment. Remember, electricity and water can be a dangerous combination, so it's always better to err on the side of caution. When planning the electrical layout of a bathroom, particularly the lighting above a shower or tub, it's critical to understand and adhere to the requirements of the National Electrical Code, or NEC. The NEC sets the standard for safe electrical installations, and its guidelines are designed to protect individuals from electrical hazards. The core principle when it comes to shower and tub lighting is the use of fixtures listed for wet locations. This is not simply a recommendation, it's a mandatory requirement. Wet location fixtures are specifically engineered to withstand the harsh conditions of a shower environment, including direct exposure to water and high humidity. These fixtures undergo rigorous testing to ensure they can operate safely in these conditions. Damp-rated fixtures, on the other hand, are designed for areas with occasional moisture but not direct water contact. Using a damp-rated fixture above a shower can lead to corrosion, short circuits, and potentially dangerous electrical shocks. The NEC defines specific zones around a shower or tub that dictate the type of fixtures that can be installed. These zones are based on the distance from the water source. Within these zones, only wet-rated fixtures are permitted. Outside of these zones, damp-rated fixtures may be acceptable, but it's crucial to consult the NEC and local codes to determine the specific requirements. In addition to the wet location requirement, the NEC also addresses the use of ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, in bathroom circuits. GFCIs are designed to detect even small imbalances in electrical current and quickly shut off the power to prevent electrical shocks. The NEC mandates the use of GFCIs for all circuits serving bathroom receptacles and lighting fixtures. This provides an additional layer of protection against electrical hazards. When selecting lighting fixtures for a shower or tub area, it's essential to look for the appropriate listing marks. These marks indicate that the fixture has been tested and certified by a recognized testing laboratory such as Underwriters Laboratories, or Electrical Testing Laboratories, or ETL. The listing mark will typically specify the type of location for which the fixture is suitable, such as wet or damp. Don't rely solely on the product description or the salesperson's advice. Always verify the listing mark to ensure the fixture meets the NEC requirements. The installation of recessed lighting fixtures above a shower or tub requires careful attention to detail. Recessed fixtures should be installed in a way that prevents moisture from entering the ceiling cavity. This can be achieved by using shower trims, which create a watertight seal between the fixture and the ceiling. The trim should be specifically designed for use with the chosen fixture to ensure a proper seal. It's also important to consider the type of insulation used around the recessed fixture. Some types of insulation can trap heat and create a fire hazard. Use insulation that is specifically rated for use with recessed fixtures and follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation. The type of bulb used in a shower or tub lighting fixture can also impact safety. High wattage bulbs can generate a significant amount of heat, which can be a burn hazard, especially in a confined shower environment. Consider using low wattage bulbs or light emitting diode, or LED, bulbs, which produce less heat and are more energy efficient. Light-emitting diode, or LED, bulbs also have a longer lifespan, which can reduce the frequency of bulb replacements. It's also important to ensure that the bulb is properly seated in the fixture and that the fixture is properly grounded. The height of the lighting fixture above the shower or tub is another factor to consider. The NEC specifies minimum heights for lighting fixtures in bathrooms to ensure safety and prevent accidental contact with water. The specific height requirements will vary depending on the type of fixture and the local codes. Consult the NEC and local codes to determine the appropriate height for the lighting fixture. The presence of a vaulted ceiling can complicate the installation of lighting fixtures above a shower or tub. Vaulted ceilings can create unique challenges for lighting design and installation. It's important to choose fixtures that are specifically designed for sloped ceilings to ensure proper illumination and prevent glare. The angle of the ceiling can affect the way light is reflected and distributed. It's also important to ensure that the fixture is securely mounted to the ceiling and that it is properly sealed to prevent moisture from entering the ceiling cavity. In addition to the technical requirements of the NEC, it's also important to consider the aesthetic aspects of shower and tub lighting. The lighting should be functional and provide adequate illumination for the shower or tub area. It should also be aesthetically pleasing and complement the overall design of the bathroom. Choose fixtures that are durable and easy to clean. The shower and tub area is a high moisture environment, so it's important to select fixtures that can withstand these conditions. Regularly inspect the lighting fixtures for signs of damage or corrosion. Replace any damaged or corroded fixtures immediately to prevent electrical hazards. It's also a good idea to periodically test the ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, in the bathroom to ensure they are functioning properly. Press the test button on the ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI. If the ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, does not trip, it may be faulty and need to be replaced. When in doubt, always consult with a qualified electrician before installing or modifying electrical fixtures in a bathroom. An electrician can assess the specific conditions of the bathroom, ensure that the work is done in compliance with the National Electrical Code, or NEC, and local electrical codes, and provide guidance on the best lighting solutions for the shower or tub area. Remember, safety should always be the top priority when working with electricity. Improper electrical work can create serious hazards, including electrical shock and fire. Don't take risks with electricity. Always hire a qualified electrician to perform electrical work in your home. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides comprehensive guidelines for electrical safety, but it's not a substitute for professional expertise. An electrician has the training and experience to properly install and maintain electrical systems in accordance with the NEC and local codes. They can also identify potential hazards and recommend solutions to ensure a safe and reliable electrical system in your home. By following the guidelines of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, and consulting with a qualified electrician, you can create a safe and well-lit bathroom that meets your needs and protects your family from electrical hazards. Always prioritize safety and code compliance when working with electricity, especially in a high moisture environment like a shower or tub area.